The most popular guitar tuning pegs aren't always the best, that's just how it goes. Everyone assumes bestseller means best quality, but when it comes to tuning stability and durability, the real winners are often hiding lower on the list. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the actual top 5. Product number 1, SAPHUE 3 Plus 3 Semi-Closed Tuners. Let's start with the SAPHUE 3 Plus 3 Semi-Closed Tuners in Chrome, a solid budget-friendly upgrade at just $17.79. What caught my eye is the 15:1 gear ratio and metal alloy build, which feels surprisingly sturdy for the price. If you want reliable tuning stability without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 15:1 gear ratio gives you fine control over string tension, so you're not overshooting notes when tuning. That means less frustration mid-song or during practice. These fit standard 6M holes, making them ideal for upgrading older acoustic or electric guitars. Plus, they come with all the mounting hardware, ferrules, screws, the works, so you're not left scrambling at the hardware store. Over 300 sold in the past month shows people are trusting this upgrade. Now, some people complained about the chrome finish wearing off after a few months of heavy use. Here's the thing though, for under $20, you're getting a functional no-frills replacement that does its job. If you're a casual player or upgrading a backup guitar, that wear isn't a deal breaker. But if you're on stage every weekend, you might want something more premium. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy install on a 6M headstock and don't need locking functionality. Skip this one if you play aggressively or want long-term cosmetic durability. For the price, it's a solid value. Product number 2, TIMESETL Universal Guitar Tuners. Next up, the TIMESETL 6-piece machine heads at $17.95, almost identical in price to the SAPHUE, but with a few key differences. These are made from zinc alloy with a chrome finish and claim universal fit for most acoustic and electric guitars. If you want a clean, OEM-style replacement that blends in, this is a strong contender. The adjustable internal gears are designed to stay tight, which means less slippage and better tuning retention, especially important if your current pegs are loose or worn. They come with 3 left and 3 right tuners, plus all the mounting hardware, so installation is straightforward. The sealed design helps keep dust and grime out, which is huge for longevity. With 200 plus sold recently, it's clear people are using these as reliable drop-in replacements. That said, a few users mentioned the knobs feel a bit lightweight compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing, they're not meant to feel luxurious. They're meant to function well and look clean. If you're replacing cheap stock tuners on a beginner guitar, you'll notice a big improvement. But if you're used to high-end machines, the plastic-like knob feel might disappoint. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-nonsense upgrade that fits most guitars and improves tuning stability. Skip this one if you prefer metal knobs or need locking tuners for frequent string changes. It's a great value for under $18. Product number 3, Geiger Locking Tuners 3L plus 3R. Now we're stepping up the Geiger Locking Tuners at $47.45. These aren't just replacements, they're performance upgrades. With a 1:18 gear ratio and sealed lubrication, they're built for players who change strings often or need rock-solid tuning under heavy playing. If you want pro-level stability and faster string changes, this is where things get serious. The locking mechanism means you don't need to wrap strings multiple times, just lock the string in place and tune. That saves time and reduces slippage, especially during bends or vibrato. The hexagonal knobs give a modern look, and the sealed housing keeps dirt out, which is key for long-term reliability. These fit 10M headstocks, common on modern electrics like Strat or Tele styles. Some users reported that the installation required minor drilling or adjustment on older guitars. Here's the thing, these are designed for modern specs. If your guitar has non-standard holes, you might need to modify the headstock, but for most newer models, it's a direct fit. The price jump is real, but so is the performance gain. This is perfect for you if you play live, bend strings a lot, or hate restringing. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a vintage guitar with unique mounting. Worth every penny if performance matters. Product number 4, Geiger Locking Tuners, right-handed 6-pack. This is the right-handed version of the Geiger Locking Tuners, same $47.45 price, same 1:18 gear ratio, but configured for right-handed players with all 6 tuners oriented correctly. If you have a righty guitar and want the same locking performance as the 3L+3R version, this is your match. The sealed gears stay lubricated longer, so you're not dealing with sticky tuners after a few months. And because it's a full 6-pack, you're getting consistency across all strings. A few buyers mentioned the hexagonal knobs can be tricky to grip with sweaty hands. Here's the thing, they're stylish and functional, but not ideal for high humidity stages. A small cloth or grip tape solves it, but it's something to note if you play intense sets. This is perfect for you if you're a right-handed player needing reliable, fast-tuning machines for electric or acoustic. Skip this if you're left-handed or prefer traditional knob shapes. It's a premium upgrade with real payoff. Product number 5, Hartfia's Small Square Sealed Tuners. Finally, the Hartfia's 6-piece tuners at just $12.81, the cheapest on this list. These feature a compact square button design and sealed housing fitting standard 10 holes. If you want the lowest cost upgrade that still improves over stock tuners, this is surprisingly solid. The 15:1 gear ratio gives decent tuning precision, and the alloy metal build feels more durable than expected. They come with all hardware included, and the sealed design helps prevent dust buildup, a common issue with open tuners. Over 200 sold shows people are taking a chance on this budget option. The downside, the small square buttons can be awkward to turn, especially if you have larger fingers. Some users said they preferred round knobs for easier grip. Here's the thing, they work, but they're not the most user-friendly. Still, for under $13, it's hard to complain. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or upgrading a practice guitar. Skip this one if you value ergonomics or play frequently. It's a steal for the price, but not the most comfortable. So which tuning pegs should you buy? If you're on a budget, the Hartfias or SAPHUE get the job done. TIMESETL offers a clean middle ground, but if you play hard or change strings often, the Geiger Locking Tuners, either version, are worth the investment. Don't just go for the most popular, go for the one that fits your guitar and your style.